Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace speakers in your Nissan Frontier. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a panel removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and 10mm or 8mm sockets. For speaker sizes, front doors commonly accommodate 6x9-inch speakers, and rear doors usually fit 6.5-inch speakers. Remember to check the mounting depth. Typically, less than 3 inches is ideal to prevent issues with your window mechanisms. Having speaker adapter brackets and wiring harnesses will simplify your installation process significantly. Now, let's tackle the front door speakers. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece behind the door handle and the window switch bezel. You'll find several 10mm screws that need to be removed. With the screws out, use your panel removal tool to gently release the retaining clips around the door panel's edges. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up and away. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical harnesses, like the one for the window switch, before setting the panel aside. Moving to the rear doors, the process is quite similar, though king cab models may require removing seat belt anchor covers and 14mm bolts first. Next, carefully pry off any trim pieces and locate any hidden screws, often 10mm. Use your trusty panel tool to gently pop the door panel clips free, starting from the bottom and working your way around. Once the clips are released, lift the panel upward and disconnect the speaker's wiring harness. This will give you full access to the old speaker for removal. With the old speakers out, it's time for installation. Connect your new aftermarket speaker to the wiring harness adapter, ensuring positive and negative terminals are correctly matched. Secure the new speaker into the door opening, using adapter brackets if your new speaker size differs from the factory one. Reconnect all electrical harnesses to the door panel, then carefully align the door panel with its mounting points. Press firmly around the edges to re-engage all the retaining clips, and finally, reinstall any screws and trim pieces you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.